I'm going on an adventure of the unknown and I'm taking you with me.
Hi, I'm Shavia. Exploring Curaçao and the world is my passion. So dive in with me as I show you around.
It's a weekday evening here in Curaçao and I'm going to the Jan Thiel salt flats. I've only heard great things about this place from my travel guide colleagues, but I've never been. Well, maybe I have, but when I was about this big.
Hidden in the back of the prestigious Jan Thiel neighborhood is the salt flats. Unless you know it's there, you won't even notice the path that leads to it. The Jan Thiel salt flats and its surrounding areas are popular with mountain biking fanatics and nature lovers like me. Willinsali, or Croton flavens as they call it in English, is one of the plants that can be seen along the road.
Smells delicious, I love it. I'm like addicted to smelling these things.
After a 20-minute hike away from the Jan Thiel civilization, I could start seeing the salt flats. Near the salt flats is a plain with a very interesting soil. It feels like walking on wool. After touching it, I realized that it's just very thin dirt. History has shown that before the Dutch captured Curaçao, they used to get their salt from Spain. Since they were in a war against Spain at that time, they wanted their own salt source. That is why they built various salt flats on the island of Curaçao. Even though none of them are currently in operation, one can still find salt accumulation near them. To make these salt flats, they closed off a piece of ocean water using stone dividers. Then they leave it up to nature to dry up all the water, leaving just the salt behind.
These are real salt chunks. These are the things that used to be that is processed and then you would get sea salt in your home.
Other than seeing salt chunks, I experienced a beautiful sunset while surrounded by nature sounds. Birds were chirping, the wind was blowing, and it was just perfect. The salt flats form a part of the Jan Thiel hiking trail. For more on that and other valuable tips about this location, head on to CuraçaoVacationBlog.com.